Still not sure if AI's for you? Don't know where to start? Overwhelmed by all the hype? AI Foundations is a 4-week in-person course taught right here in Victoria that gets you up and running fast. No buzzwords, no jargon, and I won't waste your time. Just step-by-step hands-on training on how to start using AI to make all things easier, more cost-effective, and have far better outcomes. Whether you're a business owner, desk worker, or a retiree looking to make sense of it all, there is no better way to learn AI than in-person AI school. This is the class everyone's talking about. A Canadian first, built around our hub-and-spoke framework, so you can finally gain real, hands-on AI skills without the confusion. Our beginner's foundation class is 2 hours, once a week for 4 weeks. That's all it takes. If I'm wrong, I'll give you your money back. That's still my guarantee. No tech background needed. Just show up, learn the basics, and leave with the skills you need to make AI work for you. In a crowded and confusing AI space, foundational training is the best value per dollar you can spend that will produce real results right now today. Spots are limited, and this is accessible, in-person learning, right here in Victoria. AI made simple. Click the link for more information and start your AI journey today.